Have you ever wondered why some things are so easy to remember, while others just seem to slip away? Or why cramming the night before a test almost never works? If you've asked yourself these questions, then you're going to love this book. How We Learn by Benedict Carey. This book isn't a typical boring science book. It's actually fun, surprising, and incredibly helpful. Today, we're diving into the key lessons from How We Learn, a book that could completely change the way you study, remember, and grow. AI, forgetting, is part of learning. Most of us think that forgetting is bad, but Benedict Carey shows us that forgetting is actually part of learning. When we forget something and try to remember it again, our brain works harder, and that makes the memory stronger. So don't be afraid if you can't recall something right away. That's normal. In fact, struggling to remember is a good thing. It's like going to the gym for your brain. Solo cell indicates. You've probably heard this before. Find a quiet place, sit down, and study for hours. But How We Learn tells a different story. According to Carey, changing your study environment, like moving from your room to a park or a cafe, can actually help you remember more. Why? Because your brain connects what you're learning with the place you're in. More variety means more memory triggers later. White, 3. Spaced repetition beats cramming. Most of us cram. It feels productive until we forget everything the next day. Instead, Carey recommends spaced repetition. This means spreading out your study sessions over time. If you review something today, then again in a few days, and once more next week, you'll remember it far longer. It's not about studying harder, it's about studying smarter. Lock 4. Mix things up. The power of interleaving. Another powerful trick from the book is called interleaving. This means mixing different topics or types of problems while learning. For example, if you're studying math, don't just do 20 of the same kind of problem. Mix in different kinds. Your brain will have to work harder to figure out what kind of problem it is and how to solve it. That extra effort makes the learning stick. Sleep is a study tool. LE2. Believe it or not, sleep isn't just good for your health, it's also crucial for learning. When you sleep, your brain organizes and stores the information you learned during the day. Carey even says that a nap after learning can help you remember more. So next time you feel tired while studying, maybe don't push through. Take a short nap. It could help more than an extra hour of review. Number 4. 6. Learning feels hard, and that's good. Here's something many of us don't realize. Real learning often feels hard. If everything feels easy, you might just be going through the motions. When you're confused or struggling, your brain is doing the real work. That's why Carey tells us, don't run from difficulty. It means your brain is growing. How We Learn is a book that changes the way we think about studying. It tells us that forgetting is normal. Changing your environment helps. Spacing your learning works. Mixing topics is better than drilling. Sleep strengthens memory. And that learning is supposed to be a little hard. If you take just a few of these lessons and use them, you'll start learning faster, remembering more, and feeling less stressed. This book doesn't just help students, it helps anyone who wants to grow and learn better. So, if you're ready to stop struggling and start understanding, How We Learn might just be the book you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching. And remember, it's not about how much you study, it's about how you study.